In this tutorial, we are going to look at TreeView with TreeItem. TreeView has a tree-like structure that will give us parents-child hierarchy structure. For example, here we have fruits and drink. We have children belongs to fruits and drink according to their structure. Also, I will show you how to edit tree structure. For example, pear. We can change to pineapple. Okay, let's have a look. Let me copy paste the package. Here set title. This is tutorial number 38. For design is pretty simple. What we have here, button and label, let me remove. Anchor pane, I will enlarge it. You can go to layout, say 600 I think, or 500. I think 500 better, 5 to 300. TreeView. Let me change to 300, maybe 250. So here, TreeView, we need FX ID. So TV stands for TreeView. I will say category. Okay, save. Make controller. I don't need this. Okay. I don't need that too. Okay, remove. So TreeView here, we are going to use string class type. Tree begin with the root object. Then there will be multiple tree items. Normally we call it as a node. So I will say product. That's the root of this tree view. Or you can say that's the beginning of product category. Let's put the subcategory. We need to use same tree item. So we are going to create two subcategory on the root item, maybe 3. So I will change to fruits and drink and salad. So product will be our root category, and it's going to have a 3 subcategory called as fruits and drink and then salad. Then each category is going to have items. So first one, I'm going to add fruit items to parents TreeItem, which is called as a fruit item. So here fruit item dot get children, then add the new TreeItem. I'm going to use the shorthand here. Apple. Let me repeat twice. Then change to orange. Then pear. For second item, drink item, parents tree item, we are referring to drink item. Same syntax, get children, add. Then I'm going to use anonymous inner class called new. TreeItem. Then may say cola, Sprite, and Pepsi, and so on. So you don't want to repeat the 3 times, you can use add all. Then you can add 3 anonymous object, cola and comma. Repeat twice, change to Sprite. And then Pepsi. That's the last one, so let me remove comma, bring it up. That's it. That's how you can find your objects using get children add methods. For example, I'm not going to add any items to salad, so that you can see there will be one branch without any children items belongs to that category. Get children, add fruit item. Let me add one more. Actually, 2 more. I'll fix that comments later on. So we have 3 items, fruits and drink and salad. One more to go. To set a root item of tree item. So TreeView category set root. That should be a root item. There are so many tree items, you have to pick one of them as a root item or beginning of your tree view. I think that's all. Seems okay. So it's going to populate tree view according to 9 data sets. So we have that. Sorry, that 9 of them, isn't it? Actually 10, okay. Include the 10 items. Usually we like to hide root items. So let me hide root item of TreeView or TreeItem, actually TreeView. Let's say set show root. Default is true, we change to false. This time you won't be able to see root three item called product. You see fruit and drink and salad. Fruit has 3 items, apple, orange, pear, and so on. Let me copy so that I can show you next topic. I already copied, okay? So go down here, paste it. So I just copy initialize method. We can use checkboxes instead of TreeItem. Actually, it's called as a CheckboxTreeItem. CheckboxTreeItem, okay? You can just add checkbox in front of TreeItem. You can replace all TreeItem to CheckboxTreeItem. And you need to change one more setting. You need to set the cell factory. Here, set cell factory. We have a 2 parameter, TreeView and tree cell. Please read that description at least once. So here we are going to have checkbox, tree cell, dot for TreeView. See, this time the tree view looks like there is a small checkbox in front of name of a tree item. If you select the fruits, it will select all the sub items too. That's the idea of using checkbox tree item. Next one, again, I'm going to copy initialize method so that I can continue demonstrate how to edit your data in TreeView so that you can change the name of TreeItem. So comment it. Let me go back, copy it all. Then I'm going to paste it here. Then remove the comment. For editing data in TreeView, you need to use TextFieldTreeCell so that you can change. So it means when you double click three items, you should be able to change the value by simply typing new value. So the first thing you need to do is, actually there's only one thing you need to do. Set cell factory to use TextFieldTreeCell. Same story, you type TextFieldTreeCell.forTreeView. That's it. This TreeView you can change to manually, saying it's editable, or you can use a sim builder. You can just turn it on. Default is off. So this time I'm going to just type it. So if you want, you can go back to sim builder. You can just turn it on or check it. So true. Well, I think that should be spelling mistake. So let's go back to sim builder. So here in that TreeView, we're going to use onEdit commit. So we can type handle TreeView TV edit commit. Nothing much, that's all. Actually, you don't really need this one. You can edit already. But for the demonstration, I'd like to show you what's going on behind the screen. So let me just do this way. Again, edit events. We are referring to string class type. So let me change to string. So we have an event, and then we can get TreeItem, and then we can also trace old value, and then we can get the new value according to events. So database is already done. This is just going to give you how do we actually monitor what's going on behind the screen. So it's good to know it's a useful method. Here we say that get TreeItem. So before you change, there will be a old value. Call it as a get old value. Then once you type it, we are going to have a new value. So event has a method called getNewValue. That's all. Let me make a minor arrangement. Browse through, double click. Let's change to pineapple. Enter. That's it. You look at the output. It says the changed old value was a pear and the new value is pineapple. Mango. Okay, you type it, enter. Same thing appear on your output window. So you can double check what's going on. So that's it. That's easy to do. Let me go around, have a look whether there's any mistake or not. Other than that, okay, that's all. Thank you.